Alright, just a quick little tip. Now, I got this old little angle gauge here. And, check this out. Okay.
Yep. Are you doing a video, Dad?
Yes, I am, buddy. So,
Wait, you recording?
what we're going to do is lock this somehow. And right now I have it in low gear.
Maybe I can.
And
Maybe soon
what I'm going to do
can I have them watch me play some?
is bring that right into there.
When you're signed in, you can go on Minecraft.
And I'm just going to index and make some knurls the old-fashioned way, the same way you can make some gears this way. Just a few thousandths to pass. And what you get is the beginning of a line. And when you want to change it to whatever degree you want, you can figure it out. So if you can get that lined up to 90, which is right there-ish, and then just keep going. Anyway, that's the tip for the day. Alright, so that just took like 5 minutes. And as you can see, we have kind of a gear profile here, like a 16 tooth. I did 90s and then 45s, and every time I indexed it, I turned it around, because what these are going to be is I drilled some holes in my apron for this plate to match up into, so that way I can keep chips like this from falling on the ways. Anyway, so these little digital angle gauges are pretty handy. Well, that's Tech 413, and we'd like to say
Hello, guys, and me and my brother.
I had a couple little helpers down here today.
Yeah, we are here when we. Thank you for subscribing.
What?
Thank you for subscribing.
Thank you for subscribing.
And what do you say?
Hit the like button down below.
Yeah.
And make sure to hit the bell for notifications.
And believe it or not, that's because he's addicted to the Kindle and YouTube, and he loves all the Minecraft and gaming vids. So maybe we'll do some in the future.
Yeah.
Yes.
In the future, we might be able to have some gaming videos.
Anyway, I have gotten the shop cleaned up. It doesn't look too good from here, but well, first I did a lot of work on that lathe. Got the entire thing cleaned out. I got new belts up here.
Yeah, he built this.
Over here, I've had some help today. We've been drawing pictures.
Yeah.
And a little electronic station here.
Got
Got to put some stuff away, but it's not too bad.
Can I show you?
These are the pictures Elias put.
Tell them what they are.
Look at our back.
Yeah, markers bleed through. Anyway, guys, thanks for watching. Catch you on the flip side. I like this a lot because this right here will stop a lot of the stuff going down into the apron.
Wait, how do you?
So that makes me really happy.
How do you move it? Is this
And
how move?
it's
Is this how move?
really secure. Yep.